Blessings, warriors. I hope you guys are being safe. At a time like this, the best thing that we can do is keep our body strong and make sure that we're taking the necessary things to keep our immune system up and boosting. I hope that you guys are taking the regular precaution, meaning when you have to go outside, wearing your face mask, doing your best to stay home if you don't have to go outside, and being interactive with the kids and with your family and doing the things that you can do at home to stay busy and until this is over. Here's a little recipe, a small and easy, fast recipe that you can make to help to boost your immune system. And you can make it with your family, you can make it with your children, your husband, your wife, and whoever you're staying quarantined with. It's very simple and easy, and it helps you to enjoy having a yogurt at the same time and eating healthy and boosting your immune system. You can get all the nutrients and vitamins in it while still enjoying the feeling of having something like yogurt. It's an alkaline strawberry yogurt. So here we go, and let's get started. See you on the other side. So that was the alkaline strawberry yogurt. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's simple and easy to make. You can add anything you want into. You can add blackberry. You can add raspberry. You can add anything you want. You can add pita dates. You can put your own twist into it. Put your own signature into it. That helps you to enjoy an alkaline, healthy food and vitamins while you're able to still enjoy the feeling of having a yogurt. Remember, at this time like this, I know it's very hard for us. It's the most important thing right now while staying quarantined and trying to keep ourselves away from getting infected is to keep our immune system up and boosted, making sure we put the right nutrients into our body so that we're able to keep our body strong while we're going through what we're going through. Before you know it, all this will be over. Just take it one day at a time. We are all in this together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And when you make your alkaline yogurt, you can send a picture of what your alkaline yogurt looks like and let me know what you think about it, or if you like it, if your kids like it, if your wife or husband likes it, maybe your mother like it and you made it for them. Let me know what you think about it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I thank you for your support. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Remember, it's your sister in the fight. Bye, warriors.